What if your entire cybersecurity system could run without a single human involved? Sounds efficient, but is it really safe? Not entirely. While AI improves speed and efficiency, it cannot replace human judgment and decision-making. AI is transforming cybersecurity by analyzing huge volumes of data and identifying unusual patterns quickly. It helps automate tasks like threat detection, alert management, and malware identification. This makes security operations faster and more efficient than ever before. But AI is not perfect. It lacks real-world context and can misinterpret data without human guidance. It works on patterns, while cyber attackers think creatively, and that gap still matters. Cyber attackers are constantly evolving and even using AI to create more advanced and targeted attacks. Relying only on AI can lead to missed threats, false alerts, and security gaps. This is why human expertise remains essential in cybersecurity. Security professionals bring judgment, experience, and the ability to understand complex attack scenarios. They can make decisions based on context, business impact, and evolving threat behavior. The future is not AI replacing humans, but AI working alongside cybersecurity experts. AI handles speed and automation, while humans handle strategy, analysis, and decision-making. At StrongBox IT, we help organizations strengthen cybersecurity with the right expertise and security practices. Because in today's evolving threat environment, the right balance between technology and human expertise is what truly protects systems.